Hello everyone! Have you ever felt frustrated after entering multiple trades but still failing to make consistent profits? Or maybe the strategy you're using just isn't profitable yet? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to break down a high win rate scalping strategy that can help you achieve more consistent profits in the Forex, gold, XAU/USD, and crypto markets. The Turtle Trade Channels indicator is the core of this strategy. It acts as an entry trigger and also helps us determine stop-loss placement. Open TradingView and go to the Indicators tab. In the search bar, type Turtle Trade Channels. Select Turtle Trade Channels by Kavanagh's Bellic. Adjusting the settings, go to the Inputs tab and change the exit length value to 50. Go to the Style tab and uncheck all markers except adding the Trend Alert indicator for confirmation. Go to the Indicators tab again. In the search bar, type Trend Alert. Select Trend Alert by the listed creator. Green bars indicate a bullish trend, uptrend. Red bars indicate a bearish trend, downtrend. No bars equals no confirmed trend. Buy entry setup. Bullish trade. Conditions for a buy entry. Turtle Trade Channels indicator gives a buy signal. Long entry. Trend Alert indicator confirms an uptrend. Green bar appears. The formed candlestick is bullish. Entry and risk management. Enter the trade after the bullish candlestick closes. Take profit. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Sell entry setup. Bearish trade. Conditions for a sell entry. Turtle Trade Channels indicator gives a sell signal. Short entry. Trend Alert indicator confirms a downtrend. Red bar appears. The formed candlestick is bearish. Entry and risk management. Enter the trade after the bearish candlestick closes. Stop loss. Place it above the upper line of the Turtle Trade Channels. If you found this scalping strategy useful, like and subscribe for more high win rate trading strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.